not suicidal, but like I wouldn't mind if I died. Like, you get to a point where you're just like, you're just physically tired and you're physically broken, but at some point the depression goes from being something that's mental to being something that starts being physical. Where you literally feel it every day. You're not sleeping properly. When you wake up, it feels like your brain just carries on from where you were, right?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
Guys, the quality that is coming, you guys are not expecting it. Shame. I'm gonna show you when I get home though. We'll see what did I get, and then yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Such a big investment, but like it's gonna get me to high places, guys. Imagine my dream is coming true before, like, oh guys, you don't understand. People, guys.
Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love.
So guys, your girl is tired, and right now I'm just chilling in my room, and then there's a few guests that are still like drinking and whatever, and I'm just in my room. I'm watching YouTube on my phone, and then because like currently it's load shedding like from 5 to 9. Bored Kesana, I am bored. But anyways, you guys, I'm not used to recording like using the camera, so excuse the girl for like looking the side and the side, because like I don't know which side to look like. Anyways, my lovies.
Every time when I think of the smile on your face, lump in my throat when I hear the sound calling your name. I've really tried and I've tried to get over these fears, but I'm nearly taking my words back, taking them. Feel so lonely. Wish you would call me. I know I called it quits. It went after me. Whether we should be friends or just stay the same, it feels so
So guys, I'm currently in the car because we're fighting about washing the car. I didn't want to wash the tires. I just wanted to wash the body of the car, and then we were fighting for that. So I just decided, as in, let me go and stay inside the car while they wash it. Basically, yeah. But yeah, it's so beautiful here, guys. Like, what? So beautiful. But yeah.
Take care of me. Talk all day, then at night falling deep. Stimulate me. I want you mental and physically. person and objectively. X and internally. We belong to you. We belong to you.
Shopping haul of everything that I got today. My favorite purchase of the day. This. It's basically a diary, and you're gonna use this like I'm crazy. Like, okay, we have the calendar here, which is perfect, and then we have what's like this, like, yeah, basically, and then that's written be yourself. I love it, guys. I love it. And then I've got these color pens, and then I got this. Got this case. Yeah, basically. Yeah, so inside. Simple. Yeah, I got that. And then I got these blue pens. Simple. I bought solid tape, and then I bought shoe polish. I bought paint liners, and then I got highlighters. I also got a scissor, ruler, pencils, and rubber, print, and then flip around, and and then I got a brush for my polish. I got this combo, and this can go hair, bangs, and then I have rose color, this color, and then this color. Basically, I don't like this, but I got it. Yeah, I got it because, yeah, and then these. And that's all. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Salim.